Hello.
Hello,
Hi.
teacher.
Yes. Hello there. Good evening. My name is Teacher Jess. How about you? What's your name?
My name is
Okay. What's your name again, my dear?
My name is
Okay. Your name is Ben?
No.
Okay. Can you please say it louder so that teacher can hear your voice?
My name is
Hang.
Bean.
Okay, Hang. Your name is Hang. Hello, Hang. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Okay. How are you today, Hang? Are you feeling happy?
Yeah.
Wow, it's good to hear that you are happy today. All right. So, did you go to school today?
Yeah.
Wow, very good. Hang is a good boy. Okay, how old are you, Hang?
I'm 5 years old.
5 years old. Wow, you're so cute. Hang is very cute. Okay, are you ready for our new lesson?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Ben. Hi, Ben. Okay, Ben. Now let's go to our lesson. Look. Okay, so we are going to talk about. Wait for a moment. Okay. Oh, wait for a moment. First day. Okay. Unit 1. It's all about first day. Okay. Wait for a moment. Okay. Wait for a moment. Let me find another one, my dear. Okay. This one is better. Okay, let's talk about feelings. Okay, let's talk about. Okay, wait for a moment. Okay, this one. Let's talk about feelings. We have happy. Okay, now when we say happy, so when we will show our smile like this one. Can you smile? Okay, Ben, can you smile? Oh, wow, you're so cute. Okay, so when you are smiling, it means that you are happy. And how about can you make a sad face like this one? is that is that a sad face or an angry face? Okay, very good. You're so smart. How about can you make an angry face? Can you make an angry face like this? Oh no, Ben is angry right now. Okay, I'm just kidding. Now let's learn about feelings. Now let's read each word. Let's say, okay, first let's say happy.
Happy.
Very good. Next, let's say sad. Sad.
Sad.
Okay, very good. So this is what the face of being sad. Okay, now how about when you feel hot? Ah,
Hot.
it's very hot here. Yes, hot. Okay, now next one. Let's say cold.
Cold.
Okay, now Ben, let's say I'm cold. Yes. Okay, this one. Oh no. Now let's make a hungry face. We will hold our tummy and then let's do this one. I'm hungry.
Hungry.
Okay, repeat after teacher. Let's say hungry.
Hungry.
Okay, very good. Now next we will say thirsty. I want to drink water. I'm thirsty. Okay, now say thirsty.
Thirsty.
Okay, very good. Wow, Ben is very smart. Okay, now let's make a happy face. Okay, can we make a happy face one more time? Okay. All right. Next, how about sad face? Oh, I'm sad. Okay, very good. How about hot? Hot. Can you make Okay, can you show me a hot face? All right, when you feel so hot. Ah, it's very hot. Okay. Okay, very good. Give teacher a high five. Come on. High five. Yay. When it's summer, the weather is very hot. Okay, next. Now let's do a cold face. Very good. Good job. Look at that. The teddy bear is feeling cold. Okay, so next one. Okay, look. What feeling is this? Okay, wait for a moment. Okay, this one. Look at that. She
Hungry.
Okay, hungry. The cat wants to eat food. She is hungry. Now, can we make a hungry face? Okay. When we imagine food, we can do like this. Okay, now let's imagine pizza. Oh, pizza. I want to eat pizza. I'm hungry. Okay, Ben, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Wow, really? I like pizza too. That's very yummy. Okay, now let's go to the next page. All right. Now, when you really want to drink water, it means that you are
Thirsty.
okay, very good. Thirsty. You really want to drink water. Okay, this one. Hmm. All right. Now listen. Okay. Okay, listen and number. One.
Sad. Thirsty. Hungry. Cold. Happy.
Hot.
Hot.
I'm thirsty.
I'm
Four.
thirsty. For I'm hungry.
Okay, very good, my dear. Now look. Okay. Okay, wait for okay, now look. Now we have here number one. Okay, what is he doing?
He is happy.
Okay, first he is kicking the the
Ball.
ball. Very good. And he is
Happy.
happy. Very good. Good job. And how about number two? Okay, this one. He is feeling.
He is very cold.
Okay, very good. He's very cold. How about number three? This one. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay, this one.
He
She is
is thirsty.
okay,
Thirsty.
very good. She is thirsty. She wants to drink. She
Water.
okay, water. Very good. How about number four? Okay, how about number
He is
four?
she
Okay.
is hungry.
Okay, she is hungry. She is thinking about what food?
Pizza.
Pizza. Okay, very good. And last one. Okay, number five. Look at that. Oh no, what happened to him? What happened?
He is sad.
Oh, okay, very good. The boy is sad. Oh no, my ice cream. Oh, look at that. So this is what the sad face looks like this. Oh no. Okay, now let's read sentence number one. Okay, can you please read? Good job.
Good job.
Thanks.
Good good job.
Thanks. I'm happy.
Good. I'm happy.
Okay, very good. How about number two? Can you please read, my dear? Brrr.
Mm.
I'm cold.
I'm cool.
My hands are cold.
My head is cold.
Okay, are cold. Now the girl said, I'm not cold. I'm hot. Okay,
I'm
how?
not cold. I'm hot.
Okay, very good. Now let's go to number three. Okay, number three, let's read. Water, please.
Water, please.
Mom,
Mom,
I'm
I'm thirsty.
here. You are.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, number four. Mm,
Mm, pizza.
I'm
I'm
hung.
I'm hungry.
Okay, very good. Number five. Oh no.
He is sad.
Okay, yes, he is sad. Oh no, my ice cream. I'm sad. Okay, now let's go to the next page. Okay, now let's listen and say. Okay, say, I'm happy.
I'm happy.
Okay, now she is happy. That means that she's not sad. Now let's read. I'm
I'm
not.
happy.
Okay, yes, I'm
Mm,
happy. Okay, this one. Now read. I'm not.
I'm not sad.
Okay, very good. Now we have here I am, and the contraction of that one, or the short for that is I'm. Okay, so they are the same.
I'm
Yes. You can say, I'm happy.
Happy.
Okay, now you can also say, I am happy.
Happy.
Okay, they are the same. I am and I'm. All right, let's go to the next page. Okay, look, listen and say, then practice. Okay, number one. Okay, number one. Now let's say I'm. Okay, number one.
Happy.
Okay, I'm happy. Now let's use I'm not. I'm not. Oh,
Sad.
okay, very good. I'm not sad. Number two. Oh, look at that. I'm.
I'm sad. I'm no happy.
Okay, when you are sad, means that you are not happy anymore. Look at that. What happened to his car?
His car is evil.
Is broken. Yes, his car is broken. Oh, Ben, do you have cars? Do you have a toy car?
Yeah,
Okay, so what
yeah.
will you feel? Okay, what will you feel if your car or if your toy car is broken? I will be.
You said sad.
Oh, yes. Now you'll say, I will be sad.
I'm sad.
Okay, so that's what you feel when your toy is broken. How about number three? Look at that. It's summer day. I'm
Hot.
hot.
I'm not cold.
Okay. I'm hot. I'm not cold. How about this one? I'm
I'm cold. I'm no hot.
okay. I'm cold. I'm not hot. Number five. I'm
I'm hungry.
not.
And I'm not thirsty.
Yes, very good. Good job. Number six. Okay, number six. I'm
I'm thirsty. I'm not hungry.
very good. I'm thirsty. I'm not hungry. Okay, let's go to the next page. Okay, now look at that. Let's say, are you happy?
You happy?
Uh,
Yes, I am.
okay, look
Yes,
at
I'm happy.
wow. Okay, look at the face. Look at the boy's face. Is he happy?
Yes,
Yes, very good. Okay, this one. Are you happy? Look at the boy's face.
I'm not happy.
Okay, now you'll say, no, I'm
No,
not.
not.
Okay. Oh, all right, let's go now to the next page. All right, look, the boy. Okay, look, what is the boy doing?
He is happy.
Okay, yes, the boy is happy. The boy is playing outside. Okay, how about the girl? Oh no.
Girl,
What
sad.
happened? Oh
She is
yes.
sad.
The girl is sad. Why do you think the girl is sad?
Not sunny.
Oh yes, because the girl wants to fly a kite outside, but it's raining. That's why she's sad. Okay, how about this? Look at that.
He
Number
is hungry.
okay, very good. She's hungry. How about number four?
He is thirsty.
She is thirsty. Good job. Give teacher a high five. High five. Wow, Ben is very smart. Okay, number five.
He is cold.
Okay, he is cold. How about number 6?
He is hot.
Okay, he is hot. Good job. Okay, now let's read. Are you happy?
Are you happy?
Yes.
No,
Uh,
I
yes,
am
I am.
happy.
Okay, number 2. Okay, number 2. Are you happy?
Are you happy?
No. No, I'm not.
Am. No, I'm not.
Are you sad?
Yes, I'm
Yes.
sad.
Okay. Okay, now you can also say yes, I am.
Yes, I'm am.
Yay, very good. Okay, number 3. Look at that. All right, let's read. Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
Yes.
No. Yes, I'm hungry.
Okay, very good. Number 4. Are you hungry?
Are you hungry? No, I am
I'm
hungry.
not.
I'm not. I'm thirsty.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Okay, very good. Number 5. Okay, this one. Are you cold?
Are you go?
Yes,
Yes,
I am.
I'm.
Okay, very good. Number 6, the last one. Are you cold?
No, I. Oh, no, I am
Not.
not.
Are you hot?
Yes,
Yes,
I,
I.
yes, I am.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, now let's have an activity. Okay, look. Are you happy?
No,
Okay, look at
um,
number 1. Number 1. Okay, read this one. Are you happy? Yes.
yes, I'm happy.
Yes, I am. Okay, number
Hey,
2. Okay, number 2, the girl. Are you happy?
no, I, I, no, I don't.
No, I'm not.
I'm not.
Okay, very good. One more time. No, I'm not.
No, not.
Very good. Okay, now let's say, are you sad?
Are you sad? Yes, I'm.
Okay, very good. Wow, Ben is so smart. Okay, this one. Okay, are you hungry?
Are you hungry? Yes, I am.
Okay, very good. Next one. Are you hungry? Number 4. Are
Are
you
you
hungry?
hungry? Are you hungry? No, I don't.
No, I'm not. Okay, very good. Good job. Are you thirsty?
Are you thirsty? Yes, I am.
Yes, I am. Okay, one more time. Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Okay, very Good. Good job. Now this one. Are you cold?
Are you cold? Yes, no, yes,
Yes.
and
Yes, I
yes, I
am.
am.
Okay, very good. This one. Are you cold?
Are you hot? No, yes, and am.
No, I'm.
No, and don't.
Okay, one more time, dear. Now let's say, no, I'm not.
No, don't.
Okay, no, I'm not. No, I'm
No,
not.
I'm not.
Very good. Good job. Okay, this one, number 6. Are you hot?
Are you hot? No,
Yes,
I, yes, and am.
yes, I am. Very
Yes,
good. Okay, dear. Okay, now look at this one. Point and ask. Wait for a moment. Okay, look at this. Point, ask, and answer. Okay, look. Are you thirsty? Okay, look at this. Are you thirsty? The answer is yes. Yes, I.
yes, am.
Okay, very good. Yes, I am. Good job. Okay, now we're done with our lesson. Yay! Okay, Ben, goodbye. And thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.